Gusto po naming marinig ang inyong mga testimony about our successfully concluded Euro Region Camp.
Biyaya ng Panginoon ay ito ang kanilang kauna-unahang regional camp after 8 years, if I'm not mistaken. So it's been a while since they held their last regional camp. And it was a good call on the part of our overseer, Evangelist Violi Concepcion. Even though they are now divided into three districts, the northern, the southern, and the western Europe. But it's good that periodically meron silang mga regional events, gatherings such as this. So I do not know if there is anyone among them who is still awake at this time. But just in case some of our good pastors and many of them have traveled already to their for God and His words, and our presence there was warmly received by the brethren. Kumbaga, para kaming long lost friends na finally nagkita ulit. And we're just glad that, we're able to once again fellowship with our brethren. Siya nga pala, nakasama ko din dito si Presbyter Joseph Concepcion, as well as my first daughter, Sister Miracle Feriol, and both of them fulfilled their ministerial assignments with such wonderful display of dynamism on the pulpit. And just being able to connect with the younger generation. And I am so proud of my daughter because when she spoke to the young people, I could tell that her message resonated very powerfully, and she also joined us in the Q&A, and it was very eye-opening. I'm glad that there is a growing drive and zeal and passion again among our brethren. Alam mo, wala akong sinayang na sandali. Bawat sandali na makakausap ko ang mga manggagawa, sila man ay isang grupo o sila man ay iilang mga manggagawa lang. Tuwing kami mauupo sa kainan, naglalakad, I always encourage them, and I always give some impromptu lecture. Yun ang mahirap sa akin. Yung pagiging teacher ko is turo ako ng turo. At ako din napapagod. Pero my my exhaustion is usually replaced right away. Na alam mo, Apostle, matagal ko nang kailangang marinig yung mga sinasabi mo. O kaya sinasabi na, alam mo, Apostle, words are enough to capture how grateful I am for you. Yung sila'y maipanalangin ko, yung sila'y maakap ko, just my presence there was a huge blessing to them, just as their presence and their company was also a huge inspiration for me. So there was a mutual exchange of divine favors and blessings during the camp.